Oh, it's recording.
You better squat down. Hide. This is Carolina Wildlife Removal. We were under the assumption from our phone conversation that this was a swarm of bees. This is actually an established hive that's been here for more than 2 years, and a considerable more dangerous and amount of work than what we were intending. Take that to her. Better get down. These guys are mean. Take that to her. Tell her the price is $1,200 and get back to me. Let me know whether I need to stop now or continue. But this is a whole lot more than what I was told over the phone. Right. Bring a 5-gallon bucket. At least 2 trash bags, 3 trash bags. Bring 4 trash bags. Yeah. All right. Give this time to calm down before you go get the phone.
Hurry up.
I am.
I think them carpenter bees are actually chasing them.